here. So you can put it here and enjoy today's earring. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and like my video.